Hello and welcome to English Talk Room. I'm Vineet.
And I'm Anamika. And today we are talking about something that has the power to completely transform your outlook on life travel.
Oh, yes, travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about opening your mind. And it is also about learning life lessons and growing as a person.
Absolutely. It's like a window to the world, showing us how diverse, beautiful, and yet connected everything is.
And of course, since this is also an English learning podcast, we'll be sharing some powerful idioms, phrases, and vocabulary to help you speak more fluently while we discuss today's topic. And do share the session if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such discussions.
So, whether you are an avid traveler or someone who just dreams of packing a suitcase and going on a vacation, this episode is for you. You know, Winnie, I truly believe that travel is the best education.
Oh, 100%. When you travel, you're not just sightseeing, you're absorbing cultures, you're experiencing new perspectives, and expanding your mindset as well.
And sometimes travel is the best way to break free from routine. When life starts to feel like a never ending hamster wheel, a trip can help you get refreshed.
That's so true. You know, when we visited Kashmir last time, I still remember standing near Dal Lake and thinking, why do we stress over such small things in life when there's so much beauty around us?
And that's exactly what travel does. It gives you a bigger picture. It reminds you that the world is vast and your problems are just often just a drop in the ocean.
And do you know what else I realized in Kashmir? It was that happiness isn't about how much you have, but how much you appreciate what you have.
Yes, absolutely. The locals, they were so warm and welcoming despite their struggles. It made me think if they can be happy with so little, why can't we?
Yes, and there's a travel lesson was remembering gratitude over greed.
Yeah, absolutely. Travel isn't just about visiting places, it's about discovering yourself in the process.
Yes, and another reason travel is amazing. It destroys stereotypes.
Yes, absolutely. We all grow up hearing things about different places, but travel teaches us that most of what we hear is just half the story.
Right. Like before visiting Jaipur, we had this notion that it would just be old palaces and historical ruins.
Yeah.
But when we got there, wow, it was a perfect blend of tradition and modernity.
Exactly. I still remember the bustling bazaars, the stylish cafes, and the young entrepreneurs making waves in the business.
Yes, and it's so funny how travel flips your perspective.
And that's why I say don't judge a place until you have set foot there.
That's a good one. That's a good one. And it also applies to people. When you travel, you realize that no matter where we come from, deep down, we are all the same.
Yes, and travel teaches empathy. It makes you step into someone else's shoes and see life from their side.
Yes. And that's why the world would be a much, much better place if everyone traveled more.
Yeah, one lesson every traveler must learn is expect the unexpected.
Right. So, 100%. No matter how much you plan, something always goes differently than expected.
Like that time in Nainital
Oh.
when our boat ride got cancelled because of the rain.
Yes, but instead of being upset, we rolled with the purchase and discovered an amazing cafe there.
That's the beauty of travel. The best moments are often the unplanned ones.
Right, right. And it also makes you more flexible and resourceful.
Yeah,
Like when we couldn't find a taxi. Yeah, there in Goa, and we had to rush somewhere instead. But it turned out to be really an adventure.
yes, we ended up exploring hidden beaches we never would have seen
Yes.
otherwise.
And that's why I say travel teaches you to go with the flow.
And embrace the unknown instead of fearing it.
Yeah. One of my favorite things about travel is, you know what? the people you meet along the way.
Yeah, oh yes, locals, fellow travelers, everyone has a story to share.
Yes, and before traveling, we often see people from different culture as different. But when you sit down with a local and when you share a meal with him, and of course hear their stories, you realize we are so similar at heart.
Yeah, that's so true. We may speak different languages, eat different foods, and wear different clothes, but at the core, we all want the same things: happiness, peace, love, and a sense of belonging.
And travel is the best way to break those invisible walls between us.
Do you remember in Goa when we met that fisherman who told us about Susegad, the Goan way of life?
Oh, yes, and that word really that stuck with me. Susigat means living a relaxed, content, and stress free life.
And wasn't it amazing how that fisherman who had very little in terms of material wealth seemed far happier than most of us running the rat race?
You're right. That was actually a wake up call. We get so caught up in deadliness, emails, and the rush of everyday life that we forget to slow down and enjoy the little things.
That's the magic of travel. You know, it doesn't just show you a new place, it gives you a new way of thinking.
Absolutely right. And speaking of new ways of thinking, by the way, Namika, I remember when we were in Jaipur and we were so used to modern technology, we saw that craftsmen making intricate jewelry and pottery, all by hand, using techniques passed down through generations.
Oh, yes, it was a reminder that not everything needs to be automated. Some things are best when done with love, patience, and human skill.
Yeah, and do you remember that little shop that we went to with the best of kachoris? The owner told us that he had been running that shop for over 50 years.
Yeah, and the pride in his eyes when he spoke about his work. That's another lesson travel teaches you to take pride in what you do, no matter how small it is.
Right, exactly. Travel teaches you to respect cultures, value traditions, and appreciate people's stories as well.
Yes, and when you return home, you see the world and yourself differently.
Yes, and one thing that travel teaches you is that without you even realizing it, is the self confidence.
Oh, absolutely. When you travel, you are constantly stepping out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, whether it is navigating a new city or trying a foreign dish or even just asking for directions in a language you don't speak.
Exactly.
Every little experience builds your confidence.
And do you remember our first trip to Nainital? We had no idea where to go. And we had to figure out local transport, find good places to eat, and even deal with the park at our homestay.
You are right. And at first, it felt overwhelming.
Yeah.
But by the end of the trip, we felt like we could handle everything.
That's the thing. You know, travel teaches you problem solving skills in life.
Yes, yes. And not just that, I personally believe it makes you more adaptable.
Yeah.
And when things don't go just as planned, you learn to think on your feet.
And that reminds me, remember when our train was delayed in Jaipur?
Yeah.
We could have been frustrated, but instead we took that extra time to explore the local markets.
Yes, yes, yes. And we ended up having an amazing experience. Now, if we had stuck actually to a rigid plan, that we would have missed out on that.
That's another lesson. Life rarely goes according to plans, and that's okay.
Absolutely right. Travel also makes you independent.
Oh, yes. Before traveling, you may always rely on others, parents, friends, or even Google Maps. But when you are in an unfamiliar place, you realize I can do this on my own.
Yeah, whether it is learning how to budget for a trip, understanding how to navigate a new place, or even just ordering food
Yeah.
in different languages, every little challenge makes you stronger.
And let's not forget, travel also teaches resilience.
Right. And that's absolutely 100% true. Things will go wrong. Missed rides, bad weather, getting lost, but you learn to bounce back.
And that's a life skill
Yeah.
that helps you not just in travel, but in everything you do.
Namika, at the end of the day, what do we really remember?
Yeah. We remember not the fancy gadgets we bought, not the clothes in our wardrobe, but the experiences we have had.
Exactly. And travel teaches you that memories matter more than material things.
Do you remember that sunset we watched in Kashmir?
Wow.
Sitting by Dal Lake,
Yes. You know, the colors, the calmness, the moment is etched in my heart forever.
Yeah, and it didn't cost us anything. That's the beauty of travel. It reminds you that the best things in life are often free.
Right. But you know, society has conditioned us to chase things. Bigger houses, expensive cars, more stuff.
Yes, but travel shifts your priorities. Instead of spending money on things, you start investing in experiences that enrich your soul.
Absolutely right. And those experiences actually stay with you forever.
And that's why I always say, don't just count your money, count your memory.
Wow, that's a good one, Anamika. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's true. Though you won't remember the designer shoes you bought 5 years ago, but you will always remember the time you got lost in a foreign city and ended up finding the best street food.
Right. But yeah, and all the time actually, like we danced in the rain in Goa.
Exactly. Those memories are priceless.
So, if there is one takeaway actually that you can get from today's episode, it's this: collect experiences, not things.
Because in the end, that's what life is all about.
So, dear listeners, travel whenever you can, even if it is just exploring a new street in your own city.
Yes, step out, see the world, and let travel be your greatest teacher.
And we would love to hear from you. What's a travel experience that changed your life?
Drop us a message, leave a comment, and let's keep the conversation going.
Yes, and please share the session with others and subscribe the channel if you like our work. Until next time, keep exploring and keep growing.
Bye bye.